तुम लोग भी थोड़ा ध्यान देते हैं। चैप्टर 10 सरफेस एरिया एंड वॉल्यूम। फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द सरफेस एरिया ऑफ क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड। Surface area of cube and cuboid. First, we find the surface area of cube. Surface area of cube. The shape of cube like this. Surface area of cuboid. First, we find the surface area of cuboid, and shape of cuboid is this. Shape of cuboid is like this. Shape of cuboid is like this. This is the shape of cuboid. Shape of cuboid. Shape of cuboid. This is the shape of cuboid. This is called the length of cuboid. This is called breadth of cuboid, and this is called height of cuboid. Length, breadth, and height of cuboid. The shape of cuboid, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 faces of cuboid. 6 faces of cuboid, and two faces are same area. Two faces are same in area. Front face and back face are same area. Left and right also are in same area, and floor and ceiling is also in the same in the area. Area of, suppose that see in your figure, area of floor is equal to L into B, length into width. We know that the area of any all face are in the form of rectangle. All face is in the form of a rectangle. Area of base is equal to L into B. Area top मतलब means ceiling is equal to also L into B. L into area of left and right wall. This is breadth into height. Breadth into height, and this area is also breadth into height. Area back side and area front side. Length into height. Back side length into height, and front side length into height. Length into height. So we find 2 times LB, 2 times BH, and 2 times H. 2 times LB, 2 times BH, and 2 times LH. This is the area of 6 faces. So we write surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 LB plus 2 BH plus 2 H. We take common 2, we find 2 LB plus BH plus H. 2 LB plus BH plus H. Suppose that if you open the match box, first you find like this type surface. First part is like this. First part is like it, and second part is like this. Second part is like it. Again third part is like this, and fourth part is like it. This is the shape of matchbox. But if you open the side cap, we find like this. This shape is like it. This is the net figure. This is the net of a figure. This is called net. We read net in chapter in class 8th. So this type, this is height and this is breadth. This is length and this is breadth. Also breadth and also length, and this is also breadth. Same way, this is height. This is height. Means H and H. This is H and H. This is length, 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 breadth, and this is also height. This is also breadth. This is breadth, and this is height, and this is height. If you find the area of each part, if you find the area of each part, so this is equal to L into B. This is the part of this, and this is also L into B. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. This part is breadth into height. This part. Length into height. Length into height. Length into height. And this is also length into height. This is breadth into height. And this part is also breadth into. So there are this part here. Second formula, lateral surface area of cuboid. Second formula, lateral surface area of cuboid. Lateral surface area of cuboid. In lateral surface area of cuboid, this and this portion out of the figure. Suppose that you have you live in a room, and if you want to whitewashing of the room, this we can never whitewashing in the floor of the floor. We never whitewashing of the floor. If ceiling have POP, if ceiling have POP, that is also not whitewashing. So only four walls means lateral surface area of cuboid means surface area of four walls. 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 In this condition, this LB part is out. LB part is out. We write only 2BH plus HL. So we write this formula 2L plus B, and we take common H outside. 2L plus B into H, and unit of all is unit square. Unit square. Unit square. Suppose that you have an open box. You have a open box. In this condition, area of four walls, lateral surface area, we write lateral surface area of four walls with ceiling or floor. Four walls with ceiling or floor. Area of four walls with ceiling or floor. In this condition, with ceiling or floor. And if ceiling or floor, we add LB of floor or LB of ceiling. This is formula 2L plus B into H plus L into B. Unit square. Suppose formula number 4th of this. If you want to put a rod, so length of longest rod that put in the cuboidal room. Length of longest rod put in cuboidal room is equal to हो जाएगा. This is equal to diagonal of cuboid. Cuboid is equal to 2. L diagonal of cuboid is equal to root L square plus B square plus H square. This is only unit. Means length of rod from this corner to this corner, or this corner to this corner, or this corner to this corner, or this corner to this corner. This is called diagonal of cuboid. Diagonal of a cuboid. So this is the formula for the cuboid. And volume of cuboid. This is fifth formula. Volume of cuboid is equal to L into B into length into breadth into height. This is the volume of a cuboid. Unit cube. Unit cube. In class 10, chapter 10.1 related on surface area and chapter 10.2 related on volume. Related on volume. But in class 9th, chapter 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 and 13.4 related on surface area. And 13.5, 13.6, 13.7 and 13.8 related with volume. L B H unit square. L into B means area of base. We find a new formula. Area of base into height. Area of base into height. Area of base into height. This is the formula of volume of a cuboid. Area of base into height. After this, we find the formula of area of cube, surface area of cube and volume of a cube. First we write this. For cube, this is the shape of cube. This is the shape of a cube and all sides of cube are same and all surface, means 6 surface are cube in the shape of a square. Shape of a square. This is length, breadth and height all are A. All are A. You see here, all are A. When you open in the form of net, when we open this in the form of net, we find like this figure. This is first part, this is second part, this is third part, and this is fourth part. You find 4 part like this and 2 part here. 1 part here and 1 part, and all are same side. A area of every is equal to A into A square, A square, A square, A square, A square and A square. The total area equal to 6A square. 6A square. The surface area of cube क्या हो जाएगा? Surface area of cube. First, surface area of cube is equal to 6A square unit square. Lateral surface area of cube. Lateral surface area of cube is equal to this two sides 1 and 2. Cancel out. We write 4A square. 4A square unit square. Third, lateral surface area with lateral surface area. Lateral surface area with ceiling or floor is equal to 5R square. 5A square unit square. 5A square unit square. We add area of floor or area of ceiling. And 4 square lateral and area of ceiling or area of floor. So total is equal to 5A square. Fourth, diagonal. 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 Diagonal of cube is equal to a root 3. A root 3 unit. A root 3 unit means root a square, a square, a square. Means L square, B square, H square, A square, A square, A square. So 3A square. A square comes out and root 3 in root. And 3 in root. A root 3 unit square. 3 unit. This is length. This is length. Therefore, unit of this is equal to unit. And 5 volume of cube. Volume of cube is equal to a cube unit cube or area of base into height. Area of base into height. Area of base into height unit square. This is the volume of. Write this